Hey, fifth grade, it's Miss Trevino. I wanted to hop on real quick and just give you guys a review of how to navigate and find things here in our Google Classroom. So remember, mine is called Miss Trevino's fifth grade, and you know that because you're able to watch this video. So when you first come in, this one is probably most likely always going to be the one on top, okay? This is the one, excuse me, that shows you the times I go live on Zoom, okay? And I get on Zoom 3 times a day. So if you ever need help with any of your work, come get on. If you need help at different times in those, let me know and we can make something work and I can get on at a different time for you. So I get on at 9, I get on at 12:30, and I get on at 3 o'clock. So all you have to do is click on that link and I put the passcodes right next to it. Also, you come here to classwork and you come to class drive folder. Okay, in this class drive folder, you have different resources. I have math and I have ELA resources. So going over into math resources, you have a place value chart, you have a multiplication chart. I gave you a hundreds chart as well to help you with your calculations. You have, oh, that's the same place value chart. I put in there grid paper for you to use in case you're having issues with lining up your numbers. This is very helpful. The big one in here that I uploaded is your keywords for math problems, okay? So whenever you're doing your word problems, your multi-step problems, it's very important for you to really read through those questions and find those keywords because those keywords are going to let you know, oh yeah, I need to use addition, or oh, that's multiplication for sure. Okay, like, oh, it says that I have to, what's the difference between those two numbers? Okay, I come and look at my chart, and difference means subtraction, okay? Or it says all together. Oh, that one says all together. That means I'm going to add those numbers. What is the product of those numbers? Wow, multiplication. Okay, so this chart really does help you. So keywords, I know we practiced it a lot when I was when we were in school and I would go in and help you. We need to use our knowledge of this vocabulary, okay? These keywords are going to help you tremendously. So this is in those resources, okay? So going back for ELA resources, in here we have our graphic organizers, okay? I don't know if we're doing big writing assignments, but if and when we do, you have these resources to help you brainstorm, okay? And these go over how to write a complete sentence and what the sentence structure looks like, okay? So remember, you come to Miss Trevino's fifth grade classroom, classwork, class drive folder, okay? And that's where you find all your resources. So remember that I am always here for you. If you ever need any help, don't be afraid to reach out, okay? I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to help you succeed. So let me know if you need anything. I'm always here.